Aha, Links TV. Aha, Links TV. Now I haven't seen this beautiful, this unique environment before. It is something that is unique in this region, which we need to protect our environment very well. Because as you can see this, what shall we are? Obeka say me will be side. Obeka tell me say me will be side. But a lakeside. It is very beautiful. It has serene environment. Wahye mframa kra na ɛwɔ ha na. Wo say mecha ne kra ntimi na mechi. To ba menanim. Here you can tell the atmosphere here. It has a very beautiful, which we need to upgrade it. We need to do it, mobilize it for social use. A very beautiful environment. I was say yes, and protecting the generative sika at the broad mine. Links media in your mind, yet media and so. This is Eastern region. This is Eastern region located in Jilokrobo constituency. Where is our river where Uhunesana is connected to the black voter. It is connected to the voter lake that we call Oshaha higher frekeke. Very beautiful environment, very unique environment. Oshahana higher yeah, me a higher fee very very beautiful. Very beautiful environment. Very, very beautiful environment. A higher fan kasa. Fatu ziono so hana. Yes. So you ne da what tre no. You ne da kakra no. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So joining Lens Media. Not join the Lens TV because yeah, see who say the Pieman Tem had here. Every unique place that is located in Eastern region, we are going to showcase it on the media. It's 27th of September or 27th of December. Yeah, baha. We many are sorry, maybe and baha abeshadi. I sorry, mano. Me mo winning because yeah, baha 27th of December. It will say, "Oh, per se, oh baby, ah." Obetimi afre number we 02090456682. Mami si number no so ma biem 02090456682. Ade we many Eastern regional minister ebedi hu komo because ye hwe environment we are ye environment ni ya ebe boa yen ankasa na boa yen society na generate revenue for the region. Aha, Links TV. Aha, Links TV. Macau.